Have you just started using a grounding mat or a grounding sheet from the GroundingWell company, but you're not sure if it's actually working? Maybe you've been using it for a few weeks, but you're still waiting to feel a difference. You're not alone. A lot of people feel this way when they start. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to test your grounding setup using a multimeter step by step. It's easier than you think, and I'll show you exactly what to do. Let's get started. Here's something most people don't realize. Staying hydrated helps your body conduct electrons better. So before you test, drink a glass of water. You can add just a pinch of a natural salt or an electrolyte powder if you want. That's optional, but it sure can help. Before testing anything, use the cord and connect it to the connector. The prong goes into the round hole, the grounding hole on your outlet. You can use either the top or the bottom outlet, but make sure the grounding prong is fully inserted. Now turn the dial on your multimeter to the setting that shows the letter V with a wavy line next to it. That means AC voltage. Plug the black cord into the port labeled CALM. Plug the red cord into the port labeled V. That's the one for voltage. Now your multimeter is ready. Let's check your body voltage before you touch the mat. Take the black probe and gently insert the metal tip into the round hole on your outlet. That's the ground slot. Then take the red probe and hold it between your two fingers. You'll see a number appear on the screen. Now, while still holding the red probe, place your bare hand or your foot on the grounding mat or sheet. Keep the black probe in the outlet's ground hole. Watch the number on the screen. If your setup is working, you'll see that number drop, and that's exactly what we want. It may not go to 0, and that's okay. What matters is that it goes down. That drop shows that your body is grounding. Watch the number slowly go down. Sometimes the number might bounce around, and that's totally normal. The electronics nearby, Wi-Fi signals, or even how you're standing can make it move. If it's jumping a lot, lift your hand off the mat and wait just a few seconds, and then try again. You're looking for a clear drop from your first number. If you touch the mat and the number goes up, that usually means your outlet isn't grounded. Try a different wall outlet and repeat the test. If no outlet in your home gives you a voltage drop, you can use a grounding rod. A grounding rod is a metal stake that you insert into the soil outside. You run the cord inside through a window or a door and connect it to your mat. This only works if you live in a house or on the ground floor, not in a high-rise or apartment. There's a link in the description if you'd like to see what a grounding rod looks like. Thanks to the GroundingWell company for letting me show you how to test your setup. If this helped you, please share it with someone else who's just getting started. Sometimes all it takes is a little confirmation just to keep on going.